Hey dolls, good morning. So it's mad early. It's about 8:30 right now. I have a wax appointment for 8:45, so I'm about to run out the door. Shout outs to European Wax Center for sponsoring this video because your girl is overdue for a wax. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me today. But like I said, I'm running late, so let's get out of here. Quick look. Let me hurry up because my Uber outside, but chill fit. You know. All right, let me stop and plan before this Uber leave me. Okay. Uber is outside. Oh, should I leave my mask? No, okay, got it. I feel like the Obama meme. You forget your mask. Right here is fine.
Here's good.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay, so I am here. I see. Stop the wait. So, because of COVID, of course, there's someone in the main. Well, I can take this off for now, but because of COVID, of course, not more than one person can be in the lobby. So there's someone in there now. So I'm just waiting, literally, like right outside, until that person is done. And once they come out, someone comes out and they'll call your name and let you know that you can come in. So yeah, which I'm super comfortable with. They've always had really very strict like sanitation rules and stuff like that, and ever since the pandemic, they've stepped it up even more. I feel like every time I've had an appointment, not once have I been in the lobby with like another person besides the staff. So yeah, I definitely don't mind waiting outside. I'm actually a little hot right now, so I don't mind waiting at all. I am late per usual. I'm like never on time for a thing. But they did call me when I was in the car just now. They did call me to let me know that I'm running a little late, and they pushed my appointment down for like an extra 10-15 minutes. So that was perfect. Okay, I think they're coming out now. Let me... Hi. Thank you.
So you just have to answer these CDC questions for me?
Sure. No. 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 Yep. No to everything.
You want to answer your temperature?
Yeah, that's fine. So I'll take my hat off.
Do you need to use the restroom?
No, I'm good. Okay, thank you. So those, okay, take it off again. But yeah, those, whenever you go to a European wax center, they do have a questionnaire, just asking certain questions about if you have certain symptoms, if you've been in close contact with anyone who's had COVID. Every time before your appointment, you do just have to answer that questionnaire. So yeah, just another part of, like the rigorous sanitation and precautions that they're taking during this time. So, oh, is this Paula? Hi, how are you? Oh, thank you. It is, it's freezing. Thank you. So, it's good, how's yours? So I can't record in the suite, so I will see you guys as soon as I'm finished. I'm finished. I feel like a brand new woman. Thank you so much.
every day after you shower, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll just put it here.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, Paola. You too. Merry Christmas. Actually, is there something a little later, like in the afternoon or like early afternoon?
Yeah, absolutely. You can do after 12.
After 12, that's fine.
Okay.
Like 1 o'clock.
1?
Yeah, that's good.
So just keep in mind that we actually made you a little swag bag.
Oh, thank you.
So in here is our exfoliator, which is what you want to use as well to help your skin rejuvenate. You want to make sure you are as well taking care of your skin and you have a regimen even for your lady down there, okay? So you want to use the exfoliator twice a week. You can also use it 3 times a week, but just wait 48 hours because you just got waxed, okay?
Okay.
You wanted your medium to tan body lotion. It is like a little, not like a self tanner, but it also gives
Like
you
the
a-
bronzy kind of. Okay.
gives you a beautiful
Nice.
tint. And I see your content on IG. This would definitely give you some
Oh,
kind of
thank
like
you. Yeah, a little glow. I love that.
absolutely. And then this one is our waxing
So
essential.
cute.
This one has our Slow It line. It's just a body wash and a lotion.
Perfect. That's it. I'm good to go.
Yes.
Oh, can I also can I add a tip to it for Paula? Thank you so much.
Thank you for trusting us.
No, of course. I'm like still a newbie to it kind of, but I've been loving to waxing. Yeah, this is only like my 3rd time, but I'm like I'm loving ever.
Nice.
And I'm loving the results. So where is my
I'm
card?
super jelly on your Telfar bag.
Girl, my husband, I can't even tell you all the hoops he jumped through to get these. I'm like, I don't even know how he did it still.
I mean, we were here with the alarm, like.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ladies. I appreciate it. Happy holidays. Okay, I am done. All right, that was great. I got my little bag. They made a little bag for me with a bunch of their products. As you guys heard her talking about the products, I'm just gonna walk a little further down. But yeah, that was super quick too. It's 10 o'clock now. I got here. My appointment was 9:30. It literally took like 20 minutes to do both my bikini, full Brazilian, and my underarms. So I love that I'm like in, I'm out. I'm not waiting long, you know, like the actual wax sessions are not long at all. It's like 15 minutes max for a wax session. And the fact that I got 2 areas done and I was out of there in like 20 minutes is perfect for me. This is like my 3rd session. And I've been loving my results, y'all. Like my hair grows back super thin. It takes longer to grow back now. I don't get ingrowns from shaving. I just love it. I need some lip gloss, but they're like really on it when it comes to, yeah. New York is just noise, like noise. Yeah, they're like really on it as far as sanitation and just being safe and taking certain, you know, precautions and sanitary measures. Literally, like as soon as I got off the table, before I could even put my panties back on, Paola already like tore the paper off of the table, disinfected the table, put new paper, did her sanitizing. Literally, like she sanitized that whole bed and had fresh paper before I could even finish getting dressed. So they're really on it, you know. They're really on it, and that just makes me really comfortable with going here. All the women are great. They're all like super friendly and nice, but Paola just gets me through my waxes perfectly. Like I just love her. She's so gentle. She explains everything. She didn't do anything or use any tools or anything without asking if it was okay. So like even before she like tweezed, she's like, do you mind if I tweeze this area? You know, she has to put a little extra wax on a certain patch. She's like, hey, I'm just gonna go over this section again. Like, you know, do you mind? Is it comfortable? So especially if you're like me and you're kind of new to waxing, Paola is just so gentle. She's so nice. She makes the time fly by. And like I said, she doesn't play as far as sanitation goes. So yeah, but like I said, all the women are great. They're all like super friendly, super clean. Of course, like they don't double dip wax sticks, you know, like back in the day when we first started getting our eyebrows done, like you would see them like double dip that stick. But they definitely do not do that, you know. With every service, every new client, they change their gloves. They don't double dip the wax sticks. You guys know I'm a germaphobe. I was gonna say low key, but it ain't even low key. I'm a germaphobe. So just seeing how like rigorous their sanitation methods are, it just makes me so much more comfortable. And I have really sensitive skin, and even with shaving, even when I use like the sensitive razors, I would always end up with ingrowns, like all the time. And honestly, since I started waxing, I just because I don't want to gas it, it's really been like 0. And I know people can still get ingrowns with waxing. It's just natural. It's just, you know, our skin, sometimes our pores get clogged. So ingrowns are gonna happen. But honestly, I have not gotten a single ingrown since I started waxing. And like I said, I have super sensitive skin. So the fact that I haven't gotten ingrowns, the fact that I haven't gotten any irritation, I absolutely love. I know European Wax Center, they have quality wax. Like, I do believe it's natural beeswax, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's a blend of natural beeswax. I just love it all around, like from the wax, the quality of the wax, to the experience that I have at the center. You know, how nice the women are, how great the wax specialists are. I just love it. I got quite a bit in this bag. They gave me a lot of stuff. So I'm definitely gonna give it a try and let y'all know how I like it. Y'all know I'm all for exfoliating. Y'all, my skin though. But yeah, I feel amazing. I feel like a brand new woman. You know how like when you have those showers where you shower, you wash your hair, you shave, you exfoliate, you do a body scrub, like literally that's how waxing makes me feel. Like, right, I am back home. Pretty much like I said, I went early today, so I really just have like the rest of the day to do what I need to do. I need to record a few looks for y'all. But I do want to show you all the goodies that they gave me at European Wax Center. So let's get into it. So I got a bunch of samples. Got some body, what is this? This is the body polish. And then I got some body wash. They did tell me this one smelled like pineapples, so I'm trying to give that a try. I think there was another set of wash, but one was like linen scent and another one is like pineapple scented. And then I got the body exfoliating gel, and I'm excited for this one. I'm just obsessed with exfoliating for some reason. But yeah, I definitely want to give this a try. And then I also got, I never really used bronzing lotion, so I'm definitely gonna try this out too. I also got this cute little makeup bag. This is so cute. But that is about it, dolls. I'm about to get on with the rest of my day. I'm so happy I scheduled an appointment for early in the morning, so now I have the rest of the day to do what I need to do. But thanks for coming to get waxed with me, and happy holidays to all my dolls. I love you guys. I hope you enjoy the holidays. Please stay safe. And yeah, don't forget to comment, you know, like, go ahead and subscribe if you enjoyed our wax session today. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.